So here we are at TF Green International Airport to give this Panasonic VX1 a spin, see some trains, see some planes too. Kind of on the wrong side of the ladder, but that's okay. I got something right now. We got the tea. So there's the very first train I've properly captured with this thing. One of the things I love about a TF Green that makes me willing to pay for parking every time is I feel like the architecture here is quite neat. Like this whole stairwell here, all this glass. That's right next to Hyatt Hotel. Yeah, there's this little place here as well. Kind of covered, warm / cool shelter depending on the time of year. It's funny, you can actually control thermostat right there, which I've done before. But yeah, also well lit at night. This is actually where I was when I was here in July, and there's a wicked thunderstorm. But yeah, plus we're here at the freaking airport, dude. You can see planes too. Why, what do we have here? Might it be an Acela Express? I think it is. I'm gonna be so painfully honest, and you've seen this in recent videos of mine. Train horns, for some reason, 8 years of doing this, they still scare me. Whatever. And really, I'm not gonna do this crazy zoom panny stuff too much once I'm actually using this more regularly. I'm really just using this as a test run for this camera to see, you know, what I can really do. Here's something I didn't notice until just now. All these little plants growing up here along the yellow line. You know, I expected that to be really cool, but the train's all the way back there. Trying to get to Pawtucket to see the NextGen Acela, but unfortunately the parking lot's full. And this fence is kind of blocking the shot I would want from this side. I know it'd be backlit anyway. So, there it is. Despite that failure, I still wanted to show here is what used to be, I guess, the main train station here in Pawtucket. Which unfortunately, as you can see, it's been out of use for many years. I read somewhere that unfortunately it's just structurally so bad that they couldn't even restore it if they want it. Yeah. Still a cool little building. I'm surprised it's still here. Okay, it's a bit later in the day now. And after that absolute failure of an attempt to catch the NextGen Acela, we're back out for some more trains in Kingston, Rhode Island. It's so pretty out right now.
Choosing Amtrak.
Okay, here we go. This will look much better.
Please remain behind the yellow safety strip.
There's the NextGen Acela, number 2169, Kingston, Rhode Island.
Train approaching. Please remain behind the yellow safety strip. Train approaching. Please remain behind the yellow safety strip.
Yes, much better indeed.
The overpass is board on the other side.
There it is. I knew it was going to happen at some point.